Hi friends, let's learn some words. This is the word add. Add begins with the letter A. Add. Book. Book. B is for book. Cake. Cake. C is for cake. Duck. Can you say duck? Duck begins with the letter D. Duck. I see an elephant. Elephant. Flowers. Flowers. Goat. Goat. Can you say goat? Goat begins with the letter G. Heart. Heart. Heart begins with letter H. Inside. Inside. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish begins with the letter J. Jellyfish. King. King begins with the letter K. Ladybug. Ladybug. Ladybug begins with the letter L. Ladybug. Moon. Moon. Moon begins with the letter M. Moon. Net. Net. Net begins with the letter N. Octagon. Octagon. Octagon begins with the letter O. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pumpkin begins with the letter P. Pumpkin. Quilt. Quilt. Quilt begins with the letter Q. Rabbit. Rabbit. Skunk. Skunk. A skunk begins with the letter S. Skunk. T is for taxi. Taxi. Up. Can you say up? Up begins with U. Vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables begins with the letter V. Vegetables. Watch. Watch. X-ray. X-ray begins with the letter X. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yo-yo begins with Y. Zipper. Zipper. Can you say zipper? Zipper. You did an amazing job. We hope you keep learning and growing with us. See you later.